Understanding failed graft, a language lesson. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, failed graft. This term may not be commonly used in everyday conversation, but it's a powerful one when you understand it. Let's unpack its meaning together. The phrase, failed graft, actually has its roots in medicine and gardening. A graft is a piece of living tissue that is transplanted in surgery or a shoot from a plant inserted into another plant. When we say a graft has failed, it means the tissue or shoot has not taken hold where it was transplanted and is not growing as expected. In a broader sense, when we use failed graft, metaphorically, it implies an unsuccessful attempt to integrate or insert something into a new area or system. It's about an unsuccessful union or integration. To better understand failed graft, let's look at some examples. 1. In healthcare, the patient's body rejected the heart, resulting in a failed graft. 2. In business, the merger was a failed graft. The company's cultures were too different to merge smoothly. 3. In social settings, he moved to the new city, but his attempts to fit in were a failed graft, leaving him feeling isolated. Through these contexts, we see that failed graft can be a versatile phrase applicable to various situations involving unsuccessful integration or acceptance. Now, let's practice using failed graft in a sentence. After the revolution, many of the old policies were a failed graft in the new administration, as they didn't align with the current values and goals. By practicing this phrase in different sentences, you'll become more comfortable with its usage and nuances. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, failed graft. It's a phrase rich with imagery and application across different fields. Remember, learning a language is like a successful graft. It takes time to integrate into your lexicon. I hope this lesson has taken hold, and you're one step closer to mastering the English language. See you in the next video.